Okay, welcome to Call of Duty today. Now I will explain to you about how to lock a simple lock door on your car. Simple lock door, and all we need is just your hand like this, and make sure that all of lock from inside like this, and also in this one, and we have central lock in here, and all of lock. And how to lock it is only a simple way. It's only like this, and don't forget to keep your key lock on your hand, and only lock like this. And look at that, this one pull up like this, and okay, and all lock like this. Okay, but if you only lock like this and you only pull like this, and the door will be unlocked again, and all you need is just lock from here and lock all of the lock, and pull up like this, and then push on like this, and all of door is locked. Okay, if you think this video is useful, please subscribe and don't forget to subscribe our channel. Thank you.